Hey everyone, my name is Jake Voteva. I'm a third year student here at Santa Fe College, and today I want to talk about Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is one of the largest airlines in the world, operating thousands of flights daily, as well as flying in over 50 countries worldwide. And the problem with Delta Airlines is that each flight generates a ton of waste, most of which that ends up in landfills. A lot of it is recyclable: plastic cups, cans, napkins, snack wrappers, and more. This contributes very heavily to the environment and overall the footprint of the airlines industry. As you can see in my visual below, in the blue is how much waste is generated per flight on average, and in the orange is how much of that actually ends up recycled after the flight. And as you can see across paper, plastic, and aluminum, it's not very much. Um, I believe that Delta should implement a structured in-flight recycling program across all of its domestic routes. I believe that the staff needs to be trained in how to properly sort trash from recyclables and make sure those recyclables end up in clearly labeled bins. I believe that they should be doing that both during and after beverage service and snack service on flights. Um, I believe that the program should begin at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport in Atlanta. That is where Delta Airlines is headquartered under Ed Bastian. Some of the benefits of this recycling program would be it would reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. It would also make use of the recyclable material on board flights. And Delta is known to be a leader in sustainability in the airline industry. But as they fall behind in this crisis of recycling, this could be a chance for them to improve their image. They could really set the standard for what flights should be doing, how they should be recycling every single flight, and how it can benefit our planet. While researching this topic, I came across some statistics such as 500 kilograms of waste can be generated on a singular flight, and about 45 to 60% of that waste is recyclable. Despite this, most of that does not end up in recycling centers, that mostly ends up in landfills. I also found studies show that companies who implement measurable and structured recycling programs are more likely to meet environmental goals. Delta has the opportunity to um, set the tone for the rest of the aviation industry. They can really pull ahead here on their own and apply pressure to these other companies. It's a huge missed opportunity for the world. All of these recyclables just ending up in landfills. It's terrible. It shouldn't be happening. It's a simple fix. Delta has over 90,000 employees. They're one of the on the Fortune 500. They have the capital to implement this training. They can implement these bins. It's feasible, and it would show short-term results in fighting a long-term problem. And thank you all for listening. And I hope Delta really implements this.